Kling is not the only AI tool that provides motion control. There are other tools that can do similar work, and in this video, I'm going to show you 3 of them. So the 3 tools come from WAN, ByteDance, and Runway. You might already know WAN Animate, but the official site is slow if you do not have credits. I found a faster way to use. I will show you that first, then I will show you the ByteDance method and the Runway method. Let me show you how. Open the Weave AI website and sign in. Once logged in, tap Create New File. Then you will drop into an interface like this. Now open the Faceless AI website. Click here to sign in with your Gmail. Now tap in Search Anything and click Explore Models. Now search here WAN Animate. Choose the second model. Copy the link from the search bar and get back to Weave AI. Press Ctrl+V to import the model, or you can right-click on the canvas, choose Import Model, and paste the link there. Now right-link and add Import to import your image and video. Connect your video to the video node. Connect your image to the image node. Tap Run Model. Give it a second and your video will be ready. Way faster than waiting on the official site. Now let me quickly show you why I preferred this method over the official WAN Animate site. Go to WAN Animate, choose Avatar, then select Character Swap from the dropdown. Upload your image and your video. Once the upload is done, pick the Pro option for better quality. Here is the problem. If you do not have credits, you can still generate, but sometimes they take 1 hour for generate one video. That is it. That is the only issue. So the Weave AI method just skips all of that waiting and let you generate in 20 to 30 seconds. All the important links will be added in the description. Comment ByteDance or Runway for the rest methods, and share as much as you can. Thanks.